specialty window really adds a unique feature to the home.
It adds so much to add something that doesn't have 4 square corners.
My name is Rick Weinbein, and I'm the plant manager with Renewal by Andersen.
I'm Kelly Klein with Renewal by Andersen, and we're here to talk about specialty windows. Specialty window is a fixed window that doesn't open, that has a unique shape to it.
A specialty window is really an accent to your home. It adds a little pop to the home.
A specialty window is one of the most efficient windows on our product line because it's fixed, it doesn't open. All of the Renewal by Andersen windows are ENERGY STAR certified, which means that you're going to have a warmer winter and a cooler summer.
So a specialty window is often what we call mulled with another unit or fixed to another window. So there's an opportunity to attach a specialty window, a curved top window, to the top of a double hung or top of a casement window. Specialty windows come in a variety of shapes, sizes, colors, interior features, things like that.
Our specialty window line includes 13 standard configurations. We can almost make anything you can dream up, so you can be as creative as you want. I went to a homeowner once and they had an idea of on a blank wall. We put in 2 specialty windows above 2 standard fixed windows, and it changed the look of their house dramatically.
If we have the capabilities to build the ideas or the designs that a customer comes up with, we're going to build those.
Renewal by Andersen makes all of our specialty windows out of our patented Fibrex material. It is low maintenance, but still can have the beauty of wood interior.
Fibrex material, being a composite material, offers a lot of benefits, from weatherability to solid construction and structure. Fibrex composite material means that you're never going to have to paint and scrape again.
Renewal by Andersen is the division of Andersen that does all the work for you. We're going to come out and measure that window perfectly. We're going to manufacture it, and then we're going to come and install it. Our warranty is a full parts and labor warranty on the product and the installation. That's not something that you find in this industry very often.
The Andersen brand has been around for 110 years. 1903 is when Hans J. Andersen started the company. And to have that ability to be part of a family of products that's been around for that long, you know that you're going to get the service, the warranty that you need.